Struggling with app scaling on Windows 11? Today, we're tackling how to adjust and fix app scaling issues individually for a clearer, better display. Stay tuned. Start by searching for the problematic app. Right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Now, find the shortcut for your app, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Head over to the Compatibility tab. Click on Change High DPI Settings. Here, you'll see a couple of checkmark options. Make sure to tick them. Under the scaling options, select System, Enhanced for the best results. Hit OK to save your changes, and then once more on the previous window. Didn't fix the issue? Let's try adjusting the display scale. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go into Settings. Click on System and then Display. Look for the Scale option, where you can adjust the scale percentage to better suit your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.